Hi guys and welcome nga again dito sa YouTube channel ni Salome Salve. At of course, pupunta nga ako sa isa sa mga malaking bansa sa Balkans again. At ito ay ang Tirana, Albania. Ang Albania guys ay, ang Tirana is ang capital ng Albania na kung saan napakalaki at napakaraming tao at napakaraming tourist spot din ng mga panahon na yan. At ito nga guys, of course, alam niyo naman inyong Salome Salve, sabi ko ay mahilig nga talaga akong pumasok sa kanilang mga simbahan. At itong simbahan na to ay so-so or 50-50 lang. So, lumabas agad ang inyong Salome Salve. Yes, at meron nga sila dyan sa city center ng Tirana, Albania. Malapit sa Intercontinental Hotel ay meron guys dyang mga Christmas market still, even though it's like the Christmas is finished. Yes, meron silang mga mga souvenir shop din na mula, of course, parang kinikater ang ganda at ang buong Albania. Meron din nga pala silang malaking park dito sa Tirana, Albania na kung saan maraming tao ang naglalakad, and of course, gusto nila lang makalanghap ng fresh air, right? So, yes, at meron din silang lake dyan na kung saan merong mga animals, like farm animals, yes. And, of course, marami ring into health, marami ding nag-i-enjoy kumakain sa restaurant sa gitna ng park. At isa rin sa mga napansin ko guys dito sa Tirana, Albania, masyado silang hilly, okay? May mga bahay talaga na matataas, like ang tataas ng hagdan nila na bago ka makarating dun sa kanilang building, ay kailangan mag-steps, like gumamit ka ng kanilang mga stairs na kung saan mga 25 stairs, right? Para ka lang makarating doon sa dulo ng kanilang bahay. And that is ang kanilang way ng pamumuhay doon, kasi nga ang Albania ay hilly, masyadong hilly, yes. And of course, ang Albania, Tirana, Albania, ang kanilang pera ay hindi euros kundi lakh, I think. Yeah, lakh also. Yes. And yes, that is ang kanilang yung bridge. Ito ay bridge din papunta sa isa sa kanilang malaking mall. Ang kaganda sa Tirana, Albania, meron din sila mga international products. Yes. Na kung saan medyo hindi rin mura. Okay? I must say like nasa 50-50, unlike Kosovo and Serbia, which is they are very cheap. Actually guys, look at their like stairs. Papakita ko sa kanila, ganyan mga stairs like pyramid. They have pyramid in city center at ganyan ang kataas ang nilalakari mo just to go to your apartment, right? So, wala yung elevator kasi ang elevator, doon mo palang masasakyan sa dulo. At isa nga yan sa mga pyramid na puntahan ko doon sa city center. At isa rin yan sa mga tourist attraction sa Tirana, Albania. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Yan ang pyramid na yan na parang man-made lang naman ay isa sa mga tourist kung saan makikita mo yung buong city. Actually, yes. So, pag pumunta ka sa taas, makikita mo yung the whole city at napapaligiran nga ng mountains, of course, ang Tirana, Albania din. So, parang yun ang naiisip ko why yung mga bahay ay masyadong hilly at kinakailangan ng stairs para lang makarating ka doon sa apartment. Yes, I met one Filipina here at nakita ko yung kanilang bahay nga ay ganun din. So, ito yung tuktok ng pyramid na kung saan makikita mo ang Tirana, Albania, ang kabuuan ng Tirana, Albania, mga buildings, which is okay naman. Yes, it's big. Maraming tao, maraming naglalakad, which is I really like, unlike sa Sweden na kung saan walang mga taong naglalakad pagdating ng alas 5, which is dito sa Tirana, Albania is 12 midnight, maraming pa rin tao sa labas at mailaw, maliwanag, may araw. That's what I like. So, ang mga tao na nag-work sa Tirana, Albania, yun ang mga gusto nila kasi hindi sila nag-snow, pero malamig, pero yung weather is perfect talaga. At may araw. Kung papansin nyo guys, ang Albania ay meron silang mga bank, bank, I don't know what they call that. So, parang ganyan. So, it's like for the before. That's old, yes. Old, I don't know what is that. If it's a war, yeah. Hindi ko alam yan. Kung lalaki yan, alam ko yan. Of course, like them. Right? So, hi, Junjun. Yeah, so, ang Salome Salve nga ay nag-walk din sa Christmas market na kung saan mga mura din talaga. 1 euros, parang 1 euros and parang 100 lang sa kanila or whatsoever, ganon. So, I walked. Yeah, tinignan ko kung ano yung mayroong mga, mga binibenta nila. Meron din sila yung, yung thick hot chocolate, and masarap naman yung thick hot chocolate nila. So yan, parang bangketa, parang divisoria, ganon. So meron din silang mga tinitinda guys dyan ng mga souvenirs, may mga masasarap din silang mga dessert, yes, mga antique, yeah. Actually, like I like buying some souvenirs from other country. And if you're going to ask me if I'm going like to go back sa Tirana, Albania, I will say no. Maybe I will go to another city which is like, masyadong tahimik or medyo less ang tao, kasi dito ang daming tao talaga ito mga time na yan. And guys, guess what? I also did my teeth cleaning here, and it's not expensive. Here is only 30 euros, so, unlike sa Sweden na kung saan pag nagpa-teeth cleaning ka is 2,000, it's like 250 euros. Yeah, so look at see the difference. So that's why I know like that. So it's like yung magpapalinis ka ng ngipin sa Sweden is so expensive. It's like 250 euros, and here, oh my god, it's 30 euros. Do it here. And napakabait. They speak English. They speak English also, but not. It's like 50 people speak English. Yeah, I think, yeah. 50%, yes. 50% of the population. Yes, and they're nice. Actually, people are really like, really nice, very helpful, and they will ask you where are you from, like the same questions, and of course like the guys also, like actually the guys I met here in Tirana, Albania, they are really polite and they are not aggressive, which is I really like also. But if I'm going to like choose between guys, like Russian guys and Albanian guys, of course I will go to Russian guys. I know, yeah. So yeah, this is one of the street also in Tirana, Albania. This is the library. Like they are selling like a lot of books like there, and it's a public library. Then they are selling like secondhand books, I think. Yes. And guys, of course, if you are going to ask me again, what is my favorite part here in Tirana, Albania, is their old the old buildings, like old street. They have the old street na kung saan they have restaurant also. And actually, I didn't try the cuisine, like Albanian food or whatsoever, because like I didn't know which restaurant has to, like they are offering like that. So anyway, I will go back to Albania, pero hindi sa Tirana. Okay, see you guys. And